Hi everyone, I just got, ow. Okay, so this is my first unboxing video on YouTube. So, yeah, you'll be surprised what I get. Ow. Okay, don't worry about it. I'm just gonna... So first I got the Speed Stacks bag, another one, and the things I got were two hole sticks. I got red snap tops, flame snap tops, and I got the new Atomic Punch. And I got another original Max. I got a new timer because I broke one, and another new timer because backup. So yeah, it's a pretty big unboxing. So yeah, I'm gonna do my first stacks on another video. So bye everyone.